Which is the best? PUF sheets or stone-coated metal roofing sheets in Bangalore, Karnataka. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Roofing Junction. Are you planning to install a new roof and confused which is better, PUF sheets or stone-coated metal roofing sheets? In this video, we compare both materials based on durability, cost, insulation, aesthetics, and maintenance to help you make the right choice for your home or commercial building. Watch till the end to find out which roofing solution is best for you. Let us begin. Composition and materials. Stone-coated metal roofing sheets. Made from a base of steel sheet coated with a layer of stone chips that are adhered using a resin. The stone coating mimics traditional roofing materials like tiles or shingles while offering enhanced durability and protection. Commonly used for residential, commercial, and aesthetic applications. Composition and material. PUF roofing sheets. PUF roofing sheets consist of polyurethane foam sandwiched between two outer layers of metal. The inner polyurethane foam serves as an excellent insulator and provides thermal and sound insulation properties. Commonly used in buildings where temperature control and insulation are primary concerns, such as cold storage units, warehouses, and industrial applications. Advantages of stone-coated metal roofing sheets. Durability, resistant to harsh weather including rain, wind, and hail. Highly corrosion resistant, especially when galvanized or treated with protective alloys. Aesthetic appeal, offers a variety of color design options that mimic traditional roofing styles. For example, clay tiles, slate, wood shakes, and shingles. Fire resistance, metal based, making it highly resistant to fire. Low maintenance, requires minimal upkeep due to its resistance to moss, algae, and weathering. Lightweight, easier to transport and install compared to other roofing materials like concrete or clay tiles. Advantages of PUF roofing sheets. Thermal insulation. PUF roofing sheets offer excellent heat insulation, keeping interiors cooler in hot climates and warmer in cold climates. This can result in lower energy consumption. Sound insulation provides good acoustic insulation, reducing noise from rain or external sources, making it ideal for industrial or commercial buildings. Lightweight and easy to handle, like stone-coated metal sheets. PUF sheets are lightweight and easier to install compared to heavier materials like concrete. Moisture resistant. The foam core is moisture resistant, which helps to prevent rusting and corrosion of the metal exterior. Quick installation. As the sheets are pre-manufactured and easy to handle, they can be installed quickly, saving time and labor cost. Price comparison. Stone-coated metal roofing sheets. The price of stone-coated metal roofing sheets typically ranges from rupees 100 to 150 per square feet, depending on the quality, thickness of the metal, profile, and the brand. The cost can vary based on the type of finish, example, matte finish, glossy finish, and the profile, that is tile, shake, wood, shingle style, etc. Price comparison. PUF roofing sheets. PUF roofing sheets are generally priced between rupees 100 to 120 per square foot, depending on the thickness of the foam, brand, and the type of metal used. The cost of PUF is often influenced by the density of the foam. Higher density offers better insulation and the overall thickness of the sheet. Installation process. Stone-coated metal roofing sheets. Preparation. Ensure the roof surface is clean and smooth. Install a protective underlayment to prevent leaks. Placement. Stone-coated sheets are laid down row by row, interlocking with each other. The fasteners used for securing the sheets can be nails or screws depending on the design. Sealing strips are applied to the joints to prevent water infiltration. Trimming. Any excess material is trimmed around edges, chimneys, and vents for a clean finish. Time for installation. Typically 2 to 3 days for a standard residential roof, depending on size and crew. Installation. PUF roofing sheets. Preparation. The roof structure should be checked for alignment and smoothness. Installation. PUF sheets are placed in position and the interlocking edges are secured using fasteners, screws, or bolts. The interlock between sheets provides a tight seal, contributing to insulation efficiency. Sealing. The sealants are applied to edges and joints for waterproofing and ensuring a secure fit. Finishing. Edges, ridges, and other details are finished off with trims and flashings. Time for installation. PUF sheets can be installed faster than stone-coated metal sheets, usually within 1 to 2 days, depending on the roof size and complexity. Summary of key differences. Feature. Material layers. Stone-coated roofing sheet, metal base with stone coating. PUF roofing sheets, polyurethane foam with metal outer layers. Durability. Stone-coated roofing sheets very durable, resistant to weather, fire, and corrosion. PUF roofing sheets excellent insulation and moisture resistant. Thermal insulation. Stone-coated roofing sheets moderate, mainly due to the metal layer. PUF roofing sheets highly due to the foam core. Aesthetic appeal. Stone-coated metal roofing sheets, various traditional styles. Example, tiles, shingles, shakes, etc. PUF roofing sheets, standard industrial finish. Cost of materials. Stone-coated roofing sheets, rupees 100 to 150 per square feet. PUF roofing sheets 100 to 120 per square feet. Installation time 2 to 3 days for standard residential roofs. PUF roofing sheets 1 to 2 days for a standard roof. Installation purlins. Stone coated metal roofing sheet, purlin to purlin distance should be around 1 feet. PUF roofing sheet, purlin to purlin can be up to 3 feet. Applications: stone coated roofing sheet, residential, commercial, aesthetic roofs. PUF roofing sheets, industrial, cold storage and warehouses. Conclusion: both stone coated metal roofing sheets and PUF roofing sheets offer specific advantages depending on the project requirements. Choose stone coated metal roofing sheets if you are seeking a durable, aesthetically pleasing solution and low maintenance for residential or commercial properties. Choose PUF roofing sheets when thermal insulation and quick installation are crucial, particularly for industrial buildings or spaces requiring strict temperature control. The final decision depends on budget, energy efficiency goals, and design preferences. Thanks for watching Roofing Junction. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Roofing Junction for more informative videos on roofing material. Help a senior citizen without spending a penny just by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question or suggestions. Thank you once again for watching Roofing Junction.